up, guys? The Boston 62001, and I was at it's 4th of July 2012, and I was at a firework thing, and I got this all on video. Well, I didn't get the fireworks on video, so sorry. But I got this thunder and lightning. It's kind of better than it, I have to guess. So I hope you guys enjoy. You might hear some stuff in the background. So a bunch of people are with us. So, and some like ribbit and crap. Yeah, this is on at the ocean right now. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. I'm gonna probably not talk for the whole thing. So yeah, bye. So yeah, that was it, and hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry if you heard some stuff and you were trying to enjoy the videos like in the background, but that wasn't me, so bye.